Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best water pipe heat tape is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your home from costly water damage during freezing temperatures. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right heat tape for your pipes, ensuring your plumbing system remains safe and functional all winter long, no matter how cold it gets outside. Number 5. Frost King HC6A Heat Kit. Worried about frozen pipes? This innovative heating cable ensures your pipes stay protected, even in sub-zero temperatures. It's the perfect solution for preventing costly repairs. It's 6 feet long and designed to keep water flowing freely down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures peace of mind during harsh winters. It works with both metal and plastic pipes, making it a versatile solution for various plumbing systems. No more worrying about material compatibility. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. You'll have it set up and protecting your pipes in no time. It's energy efficient, using only 7 watts per foot. This means it effectively protects your pipes without significantly impacting your energy bill. With this system, you can rest assured that your pipes are safe from freezing, even in the most extreme cold. Say goodbye to burst pipes and costly repairs. What we like. It's compact and simple to set up. If you need a short, easy-to-install solution for metal or plastic pipes, this is a great option. Its small size makes it perfect for smaller spaces or quick fixes. What people say. Easy to install, our outdoor faucet in our barn is about 3 feet above ground. By taping this heater to the pipe with black electrician's tape, then covering with aluminum-backed insulation, also taped, this unit was able to thaw our frozen faucet overnight. Works great. Easy install with electrical tape. Provides warmth and just enough freeze protection only when the sensor detects it is needed. This heat strip is very flexible and easy to wrap around a pipe. The indicator light in the plug ensures you have power to the strip. Number 4. HEATIT JHSF Pipe Heat Cable. It protects your pipes from freezing, even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This saves you money and keeps your water flowing. It works with metal and plastic pipes, so it's suitable for many different home plumbing systems. You can use it with confidence, no matter your pipe material. It's ETL certified, meaning it meets high safety standards. You can trust that it's reliable and safe for your home. It automatically adjusts its heating power, preventing overheating and saving energy. This smart technology ensures efficient and dependable protection. It has a built-in thermostat that activates at 38 degrees Fahrenheit and deactivates at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it only runs when needed, saving you even more money. It's easy to install, whether you need a straight, spiral, or overlapping configuration. Plus, it comes in lengths from 3 feet to 160 feet to fit your needs. What we like. This option prioritizes energy efficiency and safety. If you're looking for a reliable and safe solution with various length options to suit your needs, and you value energy savings, this is the one for you. The ETL listing provides extra peace of mind. What people say. Easy to install and has been working great in 22-degree weather. No frozen water. It even makes the water lukewarm. This is a lifesaver. Keep the pipe from freezing and all you have to do is wrap it around the pipe and plug it in. Saves hundreds in plumbing repairs. The cord is good quality and works extremely well. No burst pipe this year. Number 3. MAXKOSKO 3-foot heat trace cable. It keeps water flowing even at -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pipes stay protected from freezing temperatures, safeguarding your home from costly damage. It smartly adjusts its power output, preventing overheating and burns. Installation is flexible, you can install it straight, spiraled, or overlapped. It only heats when necessary, thanks to a built-in thermostat that activates at 38 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps you save energy and money on your utility bills. It's pre-assembled and ready to install. Just follow the simple 4-step instructions for a quick and easy DIY project. It protects both plastic and metal pipes up to 2 inches in diameter. It's perfect for various applications, from home pipes to RVs and even palm trees. It's built to last and won't expire. This provides long-term protection for your pipes, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It heats up quickly and is incredibly easy to install. If you need a fast and simple solution that automatically adjusts its heating, this is a great choice. Its ease of use makes it perfect for DIY projects. What people say. It was a very good value for the money and it's working perfectly for the outside water spigot for our chickens. Not difficult to install, and a wonderful preventative measure for freezing weather. We have a well with an external pump that we use to haul water. The port is above ground and our pipes freeze in the winter, 6 months of northern Canadian winter. We heat traced our pump water lines, then insulated with a cheap, thin bubble wrap and didn't have a single freeze this winter. This was a game changer and I'd highly recommend. Number 2. GlowCap Heat Tape. Worried about frozen pipes? This innovative heat tape protects your water pipes from freezing temperatures. It's easy to install and provides reliable protection. It features a built-in thermostat, turning on automatically below 37 degrees Fahrenheit and off at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures efficient and safe operation. See the difference with our patented GlowCap. It lets you know at a glance that the entire cable is working correctly, unlike other heat tapes. It's heavy-duty and self-regulating, with a commercial-grade outer jacket for long life. It's designed for reliable performance and peace of mind. It's suitable for various pipe types, including copper, steel, PVC, and more. Remember to test it with an ice pack before installation. It's proudly made in America. Our friendly team is here to help with any questions you may have during installation. We stand behind our product. Enjoy worry-free protection with our 10-year warranty. What we like. This one stands out with its unique GlowCap feature and long warranty. If you value durability and peace of mind, and want a visual confirmation that it's working correctly, this is the best option. The long warranty shows the manufacturer's confidence in its product. What people say. The cable fit perfectly for my application. Just measure ahead of time to ensure you get the correct size. It was relatively easy to install. I applied the cable to the bottom of the pipe, at the 6 o'clock position. I fastened it initially with zip ties then, after it was positioned correctly. I used the provided glass tape to secure the cable to the pipe. Well made, much more robust than other brands I've used. Before installing, I tested the thermostat by placing it in a refrigerator. It worked rapidly and exactly as it should. This appears to be built to last forever. Installed under an elevated cottage with exposed PX plumbing to survive the winter. Installation was straightforward, planning ahead of time is key. I ended up with 20 feet of extra cable that I wrapped around a drain. I used standard cheap foam pipe insulation, in 6-foot sections, from my local Home Depot, with weatherproof tape. Plugged into a new outlet installed under the cottage, with a small skirt wrapped around the cottage, mostly a vapor barrier. Outdoor temperatures reached -20°C, under cottage temperatures reached -2°C, no issues with the plumbing. The fact that this line can be submerged and wrapped over itself shows the quality. It's great and inexpensive. Number 1. EasyHeat 2102 Heating Cable. Say goodbye to frozen pipes this winter. This self-regulating heating cable provides reliable protection for your pipes, even in the harshest conditions. It's smart. It only uses power when needed, saving you energy and money. This means it reduces energy consumption when freeze protection isn't required. It's designed to be easily installed on various pipes, whether metal or plastic, protecting your water supply and drain lines from freezing temperatures. With its 100-foot length and durable metal braided jacket, it's tough and provides superior protection against damage and offers an electrical ground. It's simple to install and provides peace of mind, knowing your pipes are protected from freezing temperatures. Protect your home from costly repairs this winter. Perfect for protecting your home's water pipes from freezing, saving you from potential costly repairs and disruptions. What we like. It offers superior protection with its long length and durable construction. If you have extensive piping that needs protection, and you prioritize durability and a self-regulating system, this is the ideal choice. The metal braided jacket provides extra protection against damage. What people say. I installed 240 feet of this heat cable under the crawl space in a vacation home in the northern Arizona White Mountains. This heat cable allows me to shut off the water rather than drain the pipes, so I can come in and just turn the water on if I want to visit in the winter. Good heat tape. It was -25 last night, and the pipes that I put the tape on, and wrapped with insulation, are flowing just fine. The ones I didn't wrap, are frozen. I wrapped some spiral, around the pies and water meter, over top itself, and it worked just fine, like wrapping a rope round it. I also ran long straight runs, without wrapping. Works just fine. Installation is very straightforward, and the interface with EasyHeat 10802 plugs worked perfectly. I got everything installed the day the cold came in, and the trial by fire went flawlessly. I left the product on for 5 days until temperatures climbed over 32 and had no issues with my pipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.